All right, you gotta watch this. What I'm gonna do is show you, you can take an ordinary LED light and start a fire from scratch. It's not no ordinary LED. This is the Olight Ark Pro, but it has a UV light, a 365 nm UV. It's got a low and a high, and that's the high. And this thing gets wicked hot, and a long run time, by the way. But what I'm gonna do is take a piece of char paper, one small amount. Just take any newspaper. I'm going to use this size here. We're going to crumple it up where I can hold it. And by the way, it's about 12 degrees outside right now. Just rolling this char paper up. Don't mind my hands, please. Into a fairly tight ball and stuffing it in there. Make sure it's down in a little bit. Turn this Olight on. Make sure it's on turbo for the 365. Hold that thing right up against it. Start blowing on it. Look at that. There's no reason why you can't take some paper, put it in a Ziploc bag, put a little bit of char paper. This is what you're going to get. It's the first LED light that I've found you could start a fire from scratch with. I don't know if you use black paper to this, right? But I know this works unreal. Right there is a soda light. And at nighttime, these things are wicked bright. You're going to find UV reactive rocks easy with this thing. This is during broad daylight. Pretty neat. All right, I thought that was pretty wicked that this light can do that with the UV light. We'll test that UV light out more, and then we'll do some beam shots of this thing. Overall, a very pleasing light. Real good belt clip for putting it on in your pants pocket to grip your side of your pants. Love that in this light. Very rugged. Machining on this thing is just superb. Very well built light. No little rubber USB cover. You have that Olight's flip, all aluminum. Get two different emitters. Now it has the separate switch for a green laser right there, and you can even turn that up and down, low and high. If I were to shut the light off, you're going to see here, there's your battery amount that's charged. And then when you do turn the light on, it's on the second mode, third, and you double click, that's on the highest mode. Now that is the flood, and that's on turbo. You switch it over to the focused. Pretty awesome beam pattern on this thing. That's the lowest mode there. We'll cover the runtime in that. It's basically a simple flick of the switch, going to your UV, flood, and then spot. And your UV has a high and a low, as I showed you outside. As far as charging, you can run with a USB, or you can run with this and plug that right in with your magnetic charger. One thing I like is that comes with this light. I do have the Big Brother. If you haven't seen that video, you got to look this thing up. This is a wicked light, but it will also work on that one as well. Any of the Olights with the quick charge. Now, this has a very strong magnetic base up for it, for working on stuff or whatever. Light output is actually pretty awesome with this light. The amount of features it has and then the output level. For the Ark Pro, it's 1500 lumens for 4 minutes, and then it drops down to 520 lumens for 140. In medium's 100 lumens for 13 hours. Low is 15 lumens for 72 hours, and then moonlight is 1 lumen for 14 days. And a 580 milliwatts on that UV, that'll run 300 plus minutes. You could light a lot of fires with it. 205 meters of throw. To get to the moonlight, you just, when it's off, you long press that center button. To lock it out, just press it more than, I think, 3 seconds. Now there's a lock icon that shows up. Pretty awesome light. Unlock it, just press it down, and then it unlocks. And one thing I want to show you, I'm going to set up some objects on the UV. This is the world's strongest glow powder mixed in with a 2-part epoxy. Lights that up pretty good. Ruby, you're going to find that with a UV. That's for sure. And the Sodalite rock. I would have to say, if it's dark out, you could hold this up head level and still see the rocks down on the beach. UV glass or Vaseline glass, no problem. And here's some other lapis rocks. Changes it up pretty good. Pretty neat. Let's go out and shine it. Here goes this Olight. I've got it on its widest beam. Look at that. Beautifully wide beam. This is the highest mode. And I want to say that tree right there is 62 meters away. I do believe, yeah, it's hitting 93. It's faint, but you can hit that 93 meter tree. There's a 93 meter tree. And then up to 140. That does a solid job of 150 meters easy. If you look at that beam pattern. I mean, right up there, that's reflecting on that snow. It's almost 200 meters up back there. That's what I mean. You got the best of both worlds. You got this mode at that 62 meter tree, a real tight beam. And then you got this ultra wide beam. Just takes up a lot of area. Try turning it down. Can't really see it on low. Medium on wide. It's reaching out there pretty good. Then the high on wide does a real good job actually. And then turbo. We'll switch on over to the spot. Low mode. It's shooting out. Look at that. Good 50 meters. Medium, bouncing off a 62 meter tree. And then high, 62, 93, easy. Turbo. I seriously doubt you're going to see anything with a UV. But that's the beam pattern of that light. I do like the spot isn't quite spot, but it's enough that it throws out quite a ways, and you still got a good beam pattern on it. And the wide mode is a very wide mode. I want to say that's about 120 degrees or more. If I were to put it up here to this tree, wave it around, that's the spot. And then the wide mode. Pretty easy selected between the two. Pretty awesome. I got to get in there. It is cold out. It's almost 0. Okay, there you are. The Olight Ark Pro. Wicked light. Very impressed with it. I really starting to love these form factors of these flat lights. Wicked bright, long run time, versatile, and you can start a fire. Check that link out down below for this. Don't forget to look at this thing. It's a monster. It's bright. Extremely bright. Even a red light's bright. Farthest throw I've ever seen on a red light. Olight Ark Pro. You'd be impressed with it, I'm telling you.